Hey YouTube, GW Prepper here. Had a little cook stove I want to show everybody. I've just made my first prototype. I've been studying on the wood, and it looks like my camera's freezing up a little bit. GW Prepper here. I just wanted to show everybody my prototype design of my wood gas stove that I'm going to be building. Well, actually it's built, I just can't test it yet because of a burn ban. I'm going to take it apart and let you see some of the pieces. I've made it to where you can just stack it all inside. It's all in pieces here. Basically what I've done is I went and gotten some stainless steel pots from the store. I figured that would be the best for long-term durability. Just some simple pieces. Like this little burner cover here, I'm just using it for a spacer in the bottom. It's only a couple bucks. Both the pots together, this big one was $11. This one right here, I believe, was like $8. Basically, what I've done is I've cut a large hole in the outside for my intake, main air intake hole. On the inside, this is going to fit together just like this. It's also got a hole in it. See right there. Put it together. Then you take this little can that I pressed out right here. It's going to fit through the front can into the second can. It's kind of hard to do with one hand I'm holding the camera. I guess all you guys can probably understand how hard that is when you're just starting off with this. I'm just using a phone camera to do this right now until I can get a better camera. And basically, I still have to get the grate for the inside to go right above this air chamber right here. And then your wood or biomass is going to fit in this area right here. You would then place your cap on, which would complete the gasification process and have everything sitting just right for my test burn before I make a solid prototype. Just place that on. You've got your outlet hole there. Then you'll use this as your upper combustion chamber, and right here you would place your burner and then your pot on top of it. The design and principle, if it works properly, should easily be able to boil 4 quarts of water, probably around 6-7 minutes. And probably end up burning 30 to 45 minutes, no problem, without having to feed it. I do like StoveTech stoves, the rocket stoves. The only downfall they have is you have to continuously feed them, but I'm still going to get one. I've seen lots of reviews, and I'm very pleased with that stove. This one right here, however, packs up into a real small package, and can do a lot of work for a little bit of fuel, as opposed to some of the other stoves. In the next video, or the part 2 to this, I'll be firing it up and we'll give it a test run and see what happens. Thanks, guys.